How to access YouTube Music Recap. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this channel. My name is Emily, and I'm here to guide you step by step today. Let's dive straight into it. First, ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If Wi-Fi isn't available, switching to cellular data works just as well. Next, open the Play Store app on your device. Check if you have the latest version of the YouTube app. If an update is available, make sure to install it. Once the app is updated, open YouTube and log into your account. On your YouTube homepage, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Look for the Recap option here. If you don't see it, head over to the Settings menu by tapping the gear icon. Scroll through the settings to double-check. As of now, it appears that the YouTube Music Recap feature isn't currently available. Stay tuned for future updates that might bring this feature to your app. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.